So we are entering a 3-bedroom apartment. Here on the left side is a common living room. All the pieces of furniture you see will stay here. From this living room, it's easy access to the first bedroom on the left. Here are wardrobes on the left, some shelves, and a nice view outside. And here's a little wardrobe on the left as well. So this is the view from the back, from the window, and we're gonna go straight to the kitchen. Okay, so here's the kitchen, table and chairs, the equipment. Here on the spot will be a dishwasher, which the landlord will add as soon as possible. Okay. I'll show you the view from the window. Okay, so this is where we were before. Yes, we're gonna go straight to the hallway again. Here on the right is just a storage place, which you can just close, and you can store either food or anything you like. Here's a bathtub. Okay, we're gonna continue to the other rooms. So one of the rooms is on the left. It has a balcony, so we will go see the balcony as well. No, we won't. It's closed, but it's as big, as wide as this room. Okay, this is the view from the window again. I'm gonna go straight to the other room. Meanwhile, I'll just show there's a separate toilet with the sink, I think, is it? Right. So here's the last room. And again, I'll show you the room from the window.